Good morning, students. Take any number, for example, 5, and take a fixed number, for example, 2. Add 2 to 5, that is 7. Again add 2, 9. Again add 2, 11. Again add 2, 13. So and so on. Now observe the pattern. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so and so on. This type of pattern or series or progression is called arithmetic progression. Today's topic is arithmetic progression part 1. Let us learn in detail about arithmetic progression. Now again come to this progression 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so and so on is called arithmetic progression. In this progression 5 is called first term. It is denoted with letter A or A1 or term 1 T1. So A is equal to A1 is equal to T1 is equal to 5. And the common difference, that means second term minus first term, or A2 minus A is 2. Let us take one more example. 6, add minus 3 to 6, that is 3. Again add minus 3, it is 0. Again add minus 3, it is minus 3. Again add minus 3, it is minus 6, so and so on. So the arithmetic progression is 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6, so and so on. Here first term A is 6 and the common difference is second term 3 minus first term 6 is equals to minus 3. This type of pattern is called arithmetic progression AP. The general form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so and so on. A is called first term and D is called common difference. Now the nth term of AP. Just observe once. A is first term. Second term is A plus 1D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. So, 10th term is A plus 9D. So, by observing, we can conclude that nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. That's all. Now let us solve some questions. The question is, which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an arithmetic progression, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. The first question is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, so and so on. First we have to examine whether the given progression is arithmetic progression or not. For it, term 2 minus term 1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2 is half. Term 3 minus term 2, that means 3 minus 5 by 2 is again half. Term 4 minus term 3, 7 by 2 minus 3, it is also half. So, the common difference is same. Hence, it is arithmetic progression. Now, we have to find next 3 terms. In this question, he has given 4 terms. So, we have to find 5th term, 6th term and 7th term. 5th term is 4th term plus D. 4th term is 7 by 2 plus D is half. 7 by 2 plus half is 8 by 2, that is 4. Similarly, sixth term is fifth term 4 plus d is half, that is 9 by 2. Similarly, seventh term is sixth term plus d, that is 5. Now one more question. Minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, so and so on. By observing the common difference is same, that is nothing but 0. So the next three terms are minus half, minus half, minus half. That's all. Now one more question. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, so and so on. Second term minus first term is 0.02. Similarly, third term minus second term is 0.002. Observe these two. First one we get 0.02 and here 0.002. They are not equal. So common difference is not same. Hence it is not arithmetic progression. One more question. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, so and so on. Don't worry, it is very easy. Root 2, root 8 can be written as root 4 into 2. Root 18 can be written as root 9 into 2. Root 32 can be written as root 16 into 2. Now, root 2. Root 4 becomes 2. So, it is 2 root 2. Root 9 becomes 3. So, it is 3 root 2. Root 16 becomes 4. So, it is 4 root 2. So, and so on. So, the given question became root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. Next one you can expect 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2, so and so on. So the common difference is root 2. It is same. Hence it is arithmetic progression. The next terms are, you know already, 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2. Now let us solve one more question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5, 2, so and so on. In this question, we have to examine whether minus 150 is in the arithmetic progression or not. It is also very simple. The first term, what is first term? Yes, A is 11. Common difference, D. Second term minus first term. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. Suppose minus 150 is nth term of this arithmetic progression. Then according to our formula, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. That is minus 150. A plus n minus 1 into d. A. What is A here? You know that A is 11 and D is minus 3. Substitute these values. Then it becomes 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150. N minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 150 minus 11 is minus 161. N minus 1 is minus 161 by minus 3. It is not an integer. Hence, minus 150 is not in the given arithmetic progression. Now, one more question. Find the 31st term of the AP, whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Let the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, so and so on. Now, 11th term is 38. 16th term is 73. Now we have to find 31st term. Very simple. 11th term means a plus 10d is 38. Say it is equation number 1. 16th term means a plus 15d is equal to 73. Let it equation number 2. Now second equation minus first equation. A will be cancelled. 15d minus 10d is 5d. 73 minus 38 is 35. That means 5d is 35. So d is 5. We got the value of d. Now substitute the value of d in first equation. A plus 10d, d is 7, is equal to 38. By simplification, we get a as minus 32. We know the value of a and value of d. Now it is very simple to obtain term 31, that is a plus 30d, that is minus 32 plus 30 into 7. Its answer is 178. Let us solve one more question. If the third and ninth terms of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this arithmetic progression is 0? In this question, third term is a plus 2d is given as 4. Take it as equation number 1. Ninth term a plus 8d is given as minus 8. Take it as equation number 2. Second equation minus first equation. By simplification we get d as minus 2. Substitute d value in first equation. Now a plus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So a is 8. We know a and d. So we can find nth term. That means suppose nth term as 0. That is a plus n minus 1 into d is 0. A is 8 and d is minus 2. And sending this 8 to right side, we get n minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 8. So n minus 1 is minus 8 by minus 2. That is 4. So n is 4 plus 1. That means 5. Hence, fifth term is 0. Let us solve one more question. The 17th term of arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Observe the question carefully. 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. That means A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. A17 is nothing but A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. A10 is A plus 9D. Now cancel A both sides. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. By simplification, we get D is equal to 1. So, the common difference is 1. That's all. One more question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 3-digit numbers. Do you know the 3-digit numbers? Yes, you know. First 3-digit number is 100. Last 3-digit number is 999. Now here the question is divisible by 7. Observe carefully. You know the 7th table. By trial and error you can find the numbers. The first one is 105. Next one is 112. Next 129. so and so on. The last one is 994. Observe this pattern. It is arithmetic progression. So the first term is 105 and the common difference is 7. The last term L is equal to, say, AN is 994. The formula for AN is A plus n minus 1 into D is 994. A is 105, D is 7. Substitute the values and simplify. You will get the n as 128. So 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. One more question. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? 63, 65, 67, so and so on. 3, 10, 17, so and so on equal. Here two arithmetic progressions are given. Where they are equal, we have to find. First arithmetic progression, observe carefully, 63, 65, 67, so and so on. Here A is 63, common difference is 2. Let nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. 63 by multiplication with 2 we get 2n minus 2. By simplification we obtain 2n plus 61. Now second arithmetic progression, 3, 10, 17, so and so on. What is A here? Yes, it is 3. What is common difference? 7. Now what is nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D is 7. So 3 plus 7n minus 7. That is 7n minus 4. According to the problem, these two are equal. Nth terms are equal. So 7n minus 4 is equals to 2n plus 61. By simplification, we get n value as 13. Hence, 13th term of these two APs are equal. Now let us solve the last question. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of arithmetic progression is 24 and sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first three terms of the arithmetic progression. Let the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so and so on. In this question, sum of 4th and 8th terms is 24. So, term 4 plus term 8 is equal to 24. What is term 4? You know it. A plus 3D. What is term 8? A plus 7D is 24. Here A plus A is 2A. 3D plus 7D is 10D is 24. Divide each term with 2. Then you get first equation, that is A plus 5D is equal to 12. This is first equation. Now, in the question it is given that sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. That means 6th term plus 10th term is 44. 6th term is A plus 5D. 10th term is A plus 9D is equal to 44. That is 2A plus 14D is 44. Again divide each term with 2. The second equation becomes A plus 7D is equal to 22. Now as usual, second equation minus first equation. That is second equation minus first equation. A will be cancelled. 7D minus 5D is equal to 22 minus 12. That is 2D is equal to 10. That means D is 5. That's all. By substitution of d value in first equation, we get a as minus 13. So first term is minus 13. Common difference is 5. Add 5 to minus 13. It is minus 8. Again add 5. It is minus 3. So the first three terms are minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. The final question. Subbarao started his work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000 rupees? Observe, salary in first year 5,000, second year 200 increment. So 5,200, next year again 200 increment. So it is 5,400, so and so on, so and so on. Now the salary is 7,000. By observation, you can say that it is arithmetic progression and the first term A is 5,000 and the common difference D is 200 and the last term, that is nth term, is 7,000. So L is equal to, that is nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D is 7,000. 7,000 is equal to A 5,000 plus n minus 1 into D is 200. By simplification, you get n as 11. That means after 11 years, that means 1995 plus 11. In 2006, Subbarao will get 7,000 rupees salary per annum. Dear students, only practice makes you perfect. So, solve your questions, and if you have any doubts, you can call me without any hesitation. Thank you for listening. And one more thing, dear students, don't miss our next video, that is part 2. At the same time, like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for listening.